Welcome to the first video. Today we're going to look at the parts I already bought for my Nismo Leaf project. I'm going to change my Nissan Leaf into a Nismo Leaf version. These are the parking sensor covers. I got 4 of them. I need them because the holes in the front grille and the holes in the covers for the LED fog lights are too big. You can see the hole in one of the holes in the front grille. And these are the holes in the LED fog light covers. So this is the Nismo Leaf front grille. It looks very similar to the one of the normal Nissan Leaf, but this one is smaller and a little bit narrower. Here I'm still missing the the license plate holder. It hasn't arrived yet from Japan when I was filming this. Here you can see a red line sticker. I got 2 of them. They need to go on the side mirrors, but this one is for the Japanese version of the side mirrors, and I got the European version. And the European version are side mirrors from Renault and not from Nissan. So I still have to look if they can fit. I have I have 2 of the Japanese version. But later, as you can see, as you're gonna see, it didn't work out to get them fitted on my car. Here you can see the Nismo emblems or Nismo decals. The smaller one, this one is for the front. This one is for the back. And this small one is for the center console. This one goes beneath the controls of the aircon. These are the used side skirts I bought from Japan. So they are in the wrong color. And also they have a little bit of wear and tear, a little bit of damage. But because they have to be repainted, this is not a problem. As you can see, it's all marked where the damage was. There's a little bit of damage that's probably not gonna be repainted. I'm still looking into that. What I'm going to do, gonna repaint everything or just the white color, because it has to be dark gray, gunmetal gray. These are the LED fog lights. They are the same as or identical as the ones on the Nissan GTR R35. The only difference is are these blocks and the length of the cable. That's the only difference. Here you can see the speedo of the Nismo version. I'm not sure if I can use it at all because if you plug it in, it's gonna be in Japanese, and also the kilometers are gonna be different than the one on my version. Maybe I can use the speedo dial if I can remove it. I'm not sure. You can see the Japanese style side mirrors. It's also used in America and other places. But in Europe, they use a Renault side mirror. The biggest change are the cameras. This one is analog, and the one from Renault is digital. So You can see here 3 plugs, and the one from Renault has only 2 plugs. Try to make it work, changing the cable boom, changing the digital camera, putting it in the Japanese style one. You can see here the cox cable for the analog camera. I try to make it work, but the camera, the point of view from the camera is all different, is completely different because it's pointed the other way on the Renault one. I try to make it work, but still with putting it on a computer, you can't change it that much. So I quit trying to change the one, so I'm keeping the Renault one. Yeah, it's a shame because I like this one. They look much better than the Renault ones. Here you can see extra parking sensors, black ones. I needed them for the front bumper. You're gonna see later on that the Japanese bumpers have 2 extra parking holes, so I needed 2 extra ones. This is the Nismo start button. It's just the same one, just red lined. This is gonna be put on later because first I'm going to do the outside of the car and later the inside. You can see the Nismo version of the back bumper. You can see one of the side mountings for the parking sensors. I know some European cars, the first one from this version, also came with those side mountings for the parking sensors, but later on they just disappeared from the European versions. I know all the Japanese versions still have those side mounted parking sensors, but in Europe now all we have are those 4 on the back. That's the front bumper. It's in white. This one is in the right color. It's in the gunmetal. These reflectors are also just different from the normal Nissan Leaf. These come from a Nissan X-Trail. And this back Foglight is the same as on the 350 and 370Z. And this is the front bumper of the Nismo Leaf. It's also in the wrong color. This is where the fog lights go. It has a little bit of damage, but not severe, so just needs good repaint. These are the Nismo rims I bought. They were already on my former Nissan Leaf. They are now on my new one. These are the LMX6 rims, 18-inch from Nismo Race. These are the door visors from Nismo. They let you drive with the windows open even in the rain. But I like the look of it, not because I can drive with the windows open. These logos, emblems I found on the Nissan website. I saw that the new sold Nissan Leafs all come with these new logos. This one is for the front. There's the um, hole for the camera. So I like the style, the new style. It just clicks in in the grill. This one is taped, so it's a little bit smaller. If you look closely, it's a little bit narrower than the other one. But you just take it's double-sided tape.